Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I have another Choro American car. It's called 1956 Ford Thunderbird, guys. It's a Thunderbird. It's in very good condition also. It will pass brand new condition, guys. With mag wheels, original mag wheels from its time. And of course, removable top, guys. Tap down. Then you can put it back, guys. Just like that. That one. So this is a brand new again. But I bought it loose, guys. Part out from the box. So again, this is a 1956 Ford Thunderbird, guys. Custom. It's standard size. Made by Choro. As you can see, it's a Targa model, guys. That's all, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.